Door open చేసి
Door కొంచెం టేస్ట్ అవుతుంది కనుక.
Good morning students. The last previous class we have discussed constructors topic we have discussed. Constructors and destructors topic we have discussed the last class. Okay, coming to continuation topic is so the topic is we are already discussing object oriented programming. We have discussed that topic. Okay, so in that constructors you know already in C++ that topic. Then again that topic we are discussing in the yesterday class. Please remember that topic. Why? Because that is very important topic in examination point of view. That is very important topic. Compulsory question is there in examination point of view. So that is our syllabus. The syllabus will be completed. We have only 3 units syllabus will be there. So that will be completed the last classes. Okay, that are all completed up to 36 classes. The syllabus will be completed. 3 units syllabus will be there. And practical programs also, some programs will be completed the last classes. So that means some how that programs will be completed, practical programs are. So every topic related programs will be there. So any language topic is there and a related program will be there. So like number of programs will be, we are discussed in the last classes, started from 36 classes, we are discussed some practical programs also. Okay, so in that practical programs we have question bank is there, external practical is there this time, 6th semester external practical is there, and question bank is there. You know question bank. So what is that question bank? So question bank means we have to practice that programs only in examination. You have to practice that questions. That is question bank. And practice you have to write in examination that question, that is called question bank. Okay. So that programs will be there. So I explain that practical programs. What are the practical programs are there? So that programs we are explained, we are discussed today class. Okay. So what are the practical programs are there? So everybody know practical programs, how that practical programs will be there. C language and C++, everybody know. So like one question is there and solution will be there. One question is there and solution will be there. That is program. Then you have to write the output also. Like that the programs will be there. So here what is that? So the program will be there and the solution will be there and the output will be there. That is the pattern. So in that practical questions, some questions we are already discussed. These topic in that 36 classes, some programs, few programs we are already discussed. So few programs will be left, will be there. So that programs we are discussed and start from first question we are discussed, that all questions we are discussed today onwards. Okay. So what is that first question? In practical questions, what is that first question? So we are in which language and in PHP language. We are in PHP language. So what is that PHP programming? You know what is the structure of PHP? You know. So every PHP program, practical program, every PHP program. So compulsory, every PHP program compulsory you have to implement the structure of the C++ program or C language program. Like here also one structure will be there. You have to write that structure and you can write that programming. You can follow that structure of the PHP program. Okay. So this is embedded SQL, embedded SQL and embedded HTML mixed, that is called PHP. So based embedded HTML. So in that embedded HTML programs can be implemented here. So that's why here, so what we do, so the programs can be implemented. So the program tags, HTML tags can be used in that program. So these are all we have discussed in the last classes. All classes we have discussed in starting classes. So what is PHP, why that PHP can be used. So that are all we have discussed with the fundamentals and how that program will be there, what is the structure of the PHP program. These are all we have discussed in the last classes. So let us see. So first question, what is that practical questions? So in that, what is the first question will be there? What is the first question? So let us see, first question is what is that? Create PHP page. So these PHP can be used for we are creating the web pages, the PHP programs can be developed. So like HTML also we are used to develop the which purpose you are using PHP web pages also you are using to developing a web pages. So we are used to HTML also. So like that here also we are used to creating a web pages. So web page is nothing but it is a browser that will be developed. So this is server-side programming language. PHP is a server-side programming language. So Viva questions. So girls Viva questions sometimes asked definitions. Sometimes asked what is the PHP programming structure will be there. What are the tags we are used in PHP. Okay, so what is the difference between HTML and PHP? So like that you have to implement, you have to learn these all things. So what is the difference is there, main difference is there, you observe that difference. So every topic there is a difference is there, C language and HTML, and here also there is a difference is there. So what is the difference is there? So compulsory you have to remember that difference. Okay, so why? Because in external questions, in Viva questions, compulsory they are asked like what is the difference between PHP and other languages. So like that the questions will be there. So that's why every question you have to compare it. Every topic you have to compare it. So here what is that question will be there? Create PHP page. Create a PHP page. So this is the first question. What is the solution will be there? Create PHP page using functions. Using functions for comparing. For comparing three integers. How many integers do you have to take here? 3 integers you have to take. 3 integers and print the largest number. So here first you understood the question. So what is that question? Create PHP page. So using functions, here you have to use functions for comparing 3 integers. For comparing 3 integers. How many integers here you have to comparing? 3 integers you have to comparing. How many integers? 3 integers you have to comparing here. So that 3 integers here you have to comparing. Okay. So here 3 integers you have to comparing. That 3 integers. In the 3 integers, which one is largest value you compare it? Which one is the largest value here you compare that. So here simple program and C language and C++ also we are compared same program. So what is the largest value is there in that 3 numbers. So first you have to read the 3 numbers. So what is the largest value is there here to compare that largest value. So simple solution here in that C language and C++ also you have to use if statement. So like that here also you have to use if statement. In that PHP you have to calculate you have to find in the largest value in that 3 numbers. So here simple solution, what is the solution will be there here? Document type. Every program you have to start a document type. So document type you have to take HTML. So in that you have to take HTML code will be taken and next body will be taken. In that body you have to implement the PHP. So these lines are common every program. So then after you have to write the code. So here our question is what is that ending? To find the largest of 3 numbers. To find the largest of 3 numbers. So that's why here how many numbers you have to initialize here? So 3 numbers you have to initialize here. How many numbers? 3 numbers here you have to initialize that numbers. So here first number you have to take. So how that variables can be declared here? So you have to take the variables. You have to declare the variables $of you have to take the variable names and you can initialize the value. So in the PHP, what is the disadvantage is there? Don't enter the compilation time, don't enter the values of PHP programming. So that is the disadvantage. In C language and C++, you are enter the compilation time that values. So in that PHP, you can assign the values only, don't enter the in that compilation time that values. So that is the here C language and C++. So that is the difference is there here PHP. Okay. So here how many variables declared? How many values can be assigned here? So the 3 variables can be declared and 3 values can be assigned here. So $of A is equals to 10, $of B is equals to 20, $of C is equals to 30. I assigned. How many values I assigned? 3 values I assigned. So in that 3 values, so if you are comparing each and every value, you know simple. So in that what is the biggest value and here? So what is the biggest value here? C is the biggest value. So what is that value? C is the biggest value. So but here C is the biggest value. You know the biggest value. But in that programming, how you get the output here? You have to use if statement. You can get the output easily. So here you have to use if statement here. Which statement here? If statement here you have to use. If $of A greater than $of B, $of A greater than $of B, and in that another if you have to use $of A greater than $of C. So you observe that girls here A is compared to B and C. So when these two conditions will be true, it displays A is biggest value. A is biggest value. So here $of A and $of A is compared to B, $of A again compared to C. So this condition will be true, then this both the conditions will be true, then A is the biggest value. A is the biggest value. So here you have to write the echo statement. In that echo statement here, A is the biggest value. A is the biggest value. So like that you have to write the code here. So this will be here. So here open will be there and close will be there. So suppose A is not the biggest value. So why? Because these two conditions will not be true here. So then go for another condition. What is that condition here? So A is comparing to these two values. So if not A is greatest value, so then go for another condition. B is if B greater than C. So then here B is compared to C. So these two conditions will be false. So then go for another condition. B is greater than C. So here what is that statement will be displayed? Echo B is biggest value. B is biggest value. So that will be displayed here. So then here else part will be there here. So here what is that else part here? So here also you can add one more else part here, girls here. So these two conditions will be false here. So here if you had here I forgot one statement here. What is that here? So here A is greatest value. So comparing these two conditions. So first here you have to take echo. So here open will be there here. Echo A is biggest value or largest value. Biggest value. The statement will be taken here. So then here you can add else statement, else echo. So C is greatest value. C is greatest value or biggest value. So this statement will be also here. So then again go for another if here $of B greater than $of C. You can compare it. So why? Because here this nested if, you can follow the nested if structure in C language and C++ also the same structure will be there. You can follow that structure. You can follow that structure. You can follow that syntax. So what is that here? So you can follow that first condition will be there. Condition 1 will be there. So if that condition will be true here, if that condition will be true, then execute another, then go for another condition will be verified. If A greater than B, then go for A greater than C. So these two conditions will be true, then A is biggest value. So if these two conditions will be false, If these two conditions will be false, then C is the biggest value. C is biggest value or greatest value. So then go for another condition here. This condition is true. Echo B is the biggest value. B is the biggest value. Suppose here this condition will be false. So then here which one is there here? So here else echo C is here also C is biggest value. So here also you have to write biggest. Why? Because every time you have to write biggest value. So that's why here also biggest value you have to write. So then close here. Okay. So then after here, so then this statements after. So simple. So the program will be completed. So we are comparing three values. So here A is compared, here B is compared, then these two conditions will be false, C is the greatest value. So we are compared three values. So that's why here the comparing three numbers will be completed. So after these conditions, A is greatest value or B is greatest value, that values will be displayed here. So then after simple, what is that? PHP will be closed and body will be closed and HTML will be closed. So this is the simple program. First you have to write this one and next these statements and next third one you have to write this one. So this is the first practical question solution. This is the first practical question solution. Okay, and clear? So coming to second question. So number of questions will be there here. Practical questions, number of questions. So you know here output, what is the output will be displayed. So here C is the greatest value. So that's why here what is that message will be displayed. C is the greatest value, that message will be displayed here. So if you are enter here B is, suppose B value is 40 you are enter. So A value is 10, B value is 10. So B is, so here B value is greatest value suppose. So B is the greatest value. So depends on the value that statement will be displayed here. Okay, so that is the, what is that here? So comparing of three numbers, so it will display the greatest of that three numbers. So this is the output of that program. So this is the first question in practical examination. First question will be there. So we are already discussed this program. In the next day we are already discussed in C language, C++, PHP also completed. So once again recall that program. Why? Because this is practical question is there in examination point of view. Okay. So then after, so second question, what is that question will be there, second question. So that is the first question. So coming to second question, write a function. Here you have to implement the function, not program. So here you have to write the question here. Write a function. Function means you know what is that? You have to implement the function. So write a function. Write a function to calculate the factorial of the number. Factorial of a number. The function accept the numbers as argument. The numbers as arguments. The numbers as arguments, simple. So this is the second question, girls. In the practical questions, this is the second question. So in question bank, this question will be there. So what is the solution will be there here? What is the solution will be there here? So coming to solution here. So what is that solution here? So first we understood the question. And what is that question? Write a function to calculate the factorial of a number. So the function accept the number argument. So you know first factorial of a number. So logic you have to write in left side or right side you have to write the logic. 4 factorial means what is that? 1 into 2 into 3 into up to 4 numbers. Multiplication 4 factorial. 1 2 is 2, 2 2 is 3 is 6, 6 4 is 24. So suppose for example 5 factorial.
So 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5. So up to that numbers of multiplication. So 24 5s are 120. So why? Because 4 factorial you know 24. So 24 5s are 120. So like that, suppose for example 3 factorial 1 into 2 into 3. How much? 1 2s are 2, 2 3s are 6 only. So this program, this logic you have to write the code. So what is the code will be there here? So simple, every program you can start with a document type HTML you can write. So then HTML you have to take, then here body will be taken here. So then PHP will be start here. So then here you can assign the number. So which factorial you can find it. So this is the number, given number. You are enter 4 factorial, you are enter 5 factorial, you are enter the 3 factorial. So here you are enter the factorial number. For example, I enter 5. 5 factorial value, I find it. So then fact is equals to 1 I ascend. Why? Because the values from start from 1. Every value from start from 1. So you can enter any value start from 1. Suppose for example you don't ascend the factorial value 1. So suppose the factorial value is 0 for example. So here factorial is equals to 0 you can ascend. So that value will be automatically total factorial will be 0 will be there. So that's why here you can assign the value start from which value? So you can assign the value factorial value start from 1. You can assign factorial is equals to 1. Previous programs also you verify that programs girls. So that is the factorial value. So then after that, so then next for loop will be taken here. So loop repeating purpose we have to take the for loop here. Okay. So for dollar of x is equals to, you have to take x. So x value is dollar of n you have to take. So x dollar of x greater than or equal to 1 you have to check, and dollar of x minus minus. So here what is the statement will be there here? What is the statement will be there here? For dollar of x is equals to n, dollar of x greater than or equal to how much value? So here 1. Dollar of x minus minus. This is the for loop. Why you are taking here for loop like that here? So x value is up to n numbers will be checked, and greater than or equal to up to last value is 1, and minus minus every time the factorial. So like 4 factorial 4, 3, 2, 1 will be there. So like that you have to decrement the value. So that's why here you have to take like statement, and here fact is equals to, so factorial variable dollar of fact is equals to dollar of fact into x. In that loop will be there. So every time the loop will be decrement the value, and every time multiply that value. So that's why fact into x. So then after echo will be there. So the factorial value. So here the factorial value will be displayed here. So the factorial value, where that factorial value will be there. So in that the fact dollar of fact value how much can be there, that will be displayed here. So then after, so here this is the program. So after program here, so PHP will be closed, and here body will be closed, and here HTML will be closed. So this is the program for girls. Which program this is? Factorial of a given number program this is. So that is the output. So this is the logic, like the output will be displayed. So here I assigned 5. So what is the output will be displayed? 5 factorial means here the output will be displayed here. What is that output will be displayed here? 120 will be displayed. So like that the number of programs will be there. So here we are completed. How many programs we are completed here? 2 programs will be completed here. So let us see. So number of programs will be there here. I think in that 20 or 22 questions will be there in that. Okay. So that questions we are discussed the practical part. So the practical part will be completed. So these are programs you know. But once again recall that programs. These are all completed. So especially the practical part will be there. So that's why I explained these practical programs. Okay, so the next class we are going to discuss some other programs we are going to discuss. So that are also related to
practical part. Okay, so these two programs we are completed today class. The next class we are going to discuss another third and fourth, fifth, like then. So start from first question. We are discussed the next questions also we are discussed. Okay, thank you girls. Have a nice day.